So I started out by ripping down a 4x4 into about a 2x2 inch piece. I think this is actually 2¼ by 2¼ I'm not really sure. I just was estimating. I think that you could use a 2x2, 1½ by 1½. But I think the bigger face is going to give you a nicer look for each of the pieces on the key holder. Plus, it'll give you a bigger surface to attach each key hook to. Next, we're just going to cut this down into 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch pieces. So I think I had initially said 3/4 inch and 1/4 inch, but what I meant was 3/4 inch and 1 inch long pieces. And then I just cut out this piece of plywood as a backer, and I don't want it the entire width and length of this because I want to try and hide it. So it's a little bit undersized, but once you glue everything together, it should be a little bit hidden on the wall, and everything should still hold pretty well. So this glue up went pretty well, fairly even around all 4 edges. We're off a little bit, and it holds up to some light dropping, so it should stay on the wall. And now we're just going to burn it. And by burning, I meant lightly burning it, not a complete char or Sugi ban. And I think it looks pretty even. And the next step is just to attach the key hooks to it.